What's up guys, it's time to do a quick speed test comparison between the Oppo A5 2020 and the Samsung Galaxy A70, as both are the mid-range smartphones from both companies. So it's going to be a very interesting speed test between both of the smartphones, as the Oppo A5 2020 have got 4GB of RAM while the Samsung Galaxy A70 have got 6GB of RAM. So let's do a quick speed test between both of the smartphones and find out which one is faster and which one you should buy between both of the smartphones. Alright, booting up both of the smartphones exactly at the same time. Here we go, and let's see who will be the winner of the first boot up test. Okay, the Galaxy A70 logo comes up first, and let's see who will be the winner. For all those who haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe for more upcoming updates regarding smartphones comparisons, speed test, unboxing and much more. And the boot up test won by the Galaxy A70 and the Oppo A5 2020 was just right behind. So everything is closed in the background on both of the smartphones, and we are gonna starting from some basic stuff. The first one, we have got phone dialer. Well, it was about the same on both of the smartphones. Settings, again exactly at the same time, no difference at all. Now moving on towards some third party actions, and the first one we have got temper run 2, and let's see the response from both of the smartphones. Well, faster on the Samsung Galaxy A70, about 2 seconds faster. Subway Surfers, well, again quicker on the Galaxy A70. Now the most heavier game and one of my favorite game, PUBG mobile game, and let's see who will be the winner of this game. Both are in the loading, and well, it was pretty much faster on the Samsung Galaxy A70, and the Oppo A5 2020 was right behind. Fruit Ninja, again faster on the Galaxy A70. Hell Climb 2. Well, both of the smartphones took a bit time while launching this game, so let's see. Well, again faster on the Galaxy A70 here. Color Switch, slightly faster on the Galaxy A70. Plant vs Zombies, well, it was pretty much quicker on the Samsung Galaxy A70. Kindmaster, again slightly faster on the Galaxy A70. Zedge, quicker on the Galaxy A70. Smash Hit, faster on the Samsung Galaxy A70. YouTube, again slightly faster on the Samsung Galaxy A70. So guys, it was a speed test between the Oppo A5 2020 and the Samsung Galaxy A70. As you guys saw here, every single test won by the Samsung Galaxy A70, and the Oppo A5 2020 was right behind in every single test. Seriously, I was not expecting this performance from the Oppo A5 2020 as compared to the Samsung Galaxy A70, but the Samsung Galaxy A70 actually did it. So if you guys are thinking to buy any of these two smartphones especially for gaming purpose, then you should definitely go for the Samsung Galaxy A70. So the Samsung Galaxy A70 have got 6GB of RAM and the updated chipset as compared to the A5 2020. If you guys have any question regarding these two smartphones, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching our videos and keep supporting us. Thank you.